In this short tutorial, I will show you how to see Instagram activity log. Your activity log on Instagram is a useful tool that lets you see all the actions you have taken on the platform, such as likes, comments, tags, and more. This feature can help you keep track of your interactions and engagement on Instagram. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. Then select your activity option. Now you'll see different options, such as likes, comments, tags, etc. You can tap on any of these options to see more details. For example, I can tap likes, and it will show me all the posts I've liked on Instagram. This is exactly how you can see the activity log on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.